Welcome back to another video. First, let's talk about what blackheads are. Blackheads are small painless bumps that form on the surface of your skin. They're actually a mild form of acne that can be found on the chest, back, and even your hands. Here are the top 3 ways to remove blackheads. 1. Tea tree oil swabs. Use a gel or lotion that contains at least 5% tea tree oil. Use a cotton swab to rub the oil on your blackheads and let it absorb into your skin. Apply it twice a day until you see your blackheads start to shrink and eventually disappear. 2. Hydrogen peroxide. Soak a cotton ball in hydrogen peroxide while squeezing out any excess. This should dry your skin out and shrink your pores. Make sure to wash off with water 2-3 minutes after applying. If you have dry skin, apply moisturizer afterward. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a fantastic home remedy to clear up blackheads. Mash a tomato up and apply it to your face and let it sit overnight. Make sure you wash up in the morning because tomatoes have acidic properties. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you thought of the video in the comments below.